Make a great choice today with the 2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, power lift gate, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.